In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete component Webflow tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your components in the Webflow designer and how to remove the one you no longer need without second guessing what happens to the rest of your site. First, open Webflow and head into the project where the component lives. Make sure you're in the designer, not just the dashboard, so you can access all your design tools. Give the page a moment to load fully. This ensures the side panels and libraries populate correctly. If you work with multiple projects, double check you're in the right one before making changes, since some component libraries are project specific. Next, open the Components panel. You'll find it in the left sidebar, often labeled as Components or inside the library, depending on your workspace layout. This panel lists every component you've saved in that project, such as headers, footers, cards, and reusable sections. Take a moment to scan the names and, if needed, expand groups or folders so you can clearly see the item you want to remove. Good naming conventions make this much easier, so confirm the component name matches what you intend to delete. Now locate the specific component and hover over it to reveal the More Options menu, usually shown as 3 dots. Click those 3 dots for the component you want to delete. Pause here and make sure it's the correct one. If multiple components have similar names, look closely at their labels or descriptions. It's a good habit to ensure you're not targeting a shared header or a widely used block that others on your team rely on. Choose Delete from the menu. Webflow will remove the component from your Components panel. If a confirmation prompt appears, accept it to continue. Deleting the component does not erase the content on your pages. Instances already placed on the canvas remain, but they're no longer linked to a reusable component. That means your layouts won't suddenly disappear, and those elements become regular, editable elements on each page. If you change your mind right away, you can use undo to revert the deletion. If delete appears unavailable, make sure you're clicking the menu for the correct item and that the designer isn't in a mode that restricts edits. That's it. You opened your project, accessed the Components panel, used the 3-dot menu on the right component, and confirmed delete. With this process, you keep your library clean and avoid outdated or duplicate components lingering in your project. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to tidy up your Webflow components.